country people, this one they really sad though. Ruby Ojiako never won't believe say her friend, her brother don't buy. Seriously, this girl has been crying since the very day she hears say Junior Pope don't buy. Now so her world just turn around for bad. Ever since then, nobody don't hear her voice. Nobody. Now so inside she dey stay, they cry, they ask God why my brother, why my friend. She never won't believe say Junior Pope don't buy, cause Junior Pope really took care of her and her daughter. Chai, this one they really sad. So Junior Pope's burial today, na so all the celebrity gather, they pay their last homage to him. Even Mrs. Chinwo don't come out begin they cry. Una know as they cry. Come they beg the general public, say make everybody free in wipe. Say make una allow that poor widow to mourn her husband in peace. Omo, make we hear wetin she talk.
The wife, Farapiaka. Then I hear that they were so, and we're going to do so for that girl. I can't say, can he talk a quote? Farapia, quietly. Kadie, we Zoike, my name is Junior Pope Amurugo, no Murugo. Omurugo, no Murugo. Oyenu konki, onyanya konki. Sai young well na yo chupubu, Nana Batia.
All my people are they draw my curtain for here, and I pray that Baba God accept the soul of Junior Pope and make him so rest in peace. Okay guys, see you guys on my next episode. Stay safe out there. Oh yeah, now bye.